Understanding show favoritism in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, show favoritism. This phrase is commonly used in both professional and personal contexts, and understanding it can really help you in navigating social situations. So, let's dive in. Show favoritism refers to the act of giving unfair advantages or preferences to one person or group over others. It's often used in scenarios where equality and fairness are expected, such as in workplaces, schools, or family dynamics. The key here is the unfairness or bias in treatment. To understand this phrase better, let's look at some real-life examples. 1. In the workplace, a manager consistently gives the most desirable projects to a specific employee, regardless of others' qualifications. 2. In school, a teacher always praises and rewards one student, while ignoring the efforts of others. 3. In families, parents giving more attention or resources to one child over their siblings. These examples show how favoritism can impact various aspects of life. Understanding the concept of show favoritism is crucial because it helps you recognize and address biases in your environment. It's not just about knowing the phrase but also about fostering fairness and equality in your interactions. When you want to use this phrase in a sentence, you might say, "I feel like our coach shows favoritism towards certain players." It's important not to show favoritism in a classroom setting. These sentences illustrate how the phrase can be effectively used in communication. And that's a wrap on show favoritism. I hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase more confidently in your English conversations. Remember, recognizing and avoiding favoritism makes for a fairer, more inclusive world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.